Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the watch above 50% and put your iPhone nearby with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Pair New Watch. Point the iPhone camera at the animation on the watch face to link them. Once paired, you'll be asked to sign in with your Apple ID, enable location and wrist detection, and set a passcode. This initial pairing secures data and lets notifications and health sync start immediately. Now you configure the central features so the watch works for you. Pick which apps to install from the iPhone app list and manage notification settings to avoid overload. Customize a watch face with complications you'll use, weather, timer, or activity rings, and arrange the control center items for quick access. Set activity goals and check health permissions to ensure workouts and metrics sync. Once done, the watch will begin indexing and uploading data. Make sure to let it finish before heavy use. You use the watch daily by wearing it snugly for accurate heart rate and tapping, swiping, or pressing the digital crown to navigate apps and notifications. Make sure to update watchOS through the iPhone when prompted. That fixes many bugs. If an app freezes, force quit or restart the watch, and if problems persist, unpair and repair to reset settings. For charging issues, clean the back and cable, try another charger, and ensure magnetic alignment. These simple checks resolve most common faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.